Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make whipped cream from Amul fresh cream. First, it's crucial to chill your Amul fresh cream, along with your mixing bowl and beater blades, for at least 15 minutes or even overnight to ensure everything is very cold. This step is vital for successful whipping. Make sure all your equipment is perfectly clean and completely dry. A deep, narrow bowl is ideal for containing the cream as it whips, preventing splatters and aiding in aeration. Once your cream and equipment are thoroughly chilled, pour the thick part of the Amul fresh cream into your cold bowl. Begin whipping on a low speed, then gradually increase to medium-high. Continue whipping until the cream forms soft peaks, which typically takes about 5 to 7 minutes. It's important to watch carefully and stop whipping as soon as soft peaks appear, as overwhipping can quickly turn your cream grainy or even into butter. Now it's time to add some delicious flavor to your whipped cream. For sweetness, incorporate 1 to 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Powdered sugar dissolves easily, ensuring a smooth texture. You can also add about a half teaspoon of vanilla extract for a classic, aromatic touch. If you're feeling adventurous, gently fold in other flavorings like a tablespoon of cocoa powder for a chocolate whipped cream. Mix these additions in carefully until just combined. To keep your freshly made whipped cream at its best, proper storage is key. Transfer any leftover whipped cream into an airtight container and store it in the coldest part of your refrigerator, ideally towards the back. Avoid storing it in the refrigerator door, as temperatures fluctuate there. For optimal freshness and texture, aim to consume your whipped cream within 2 to 3 days. It's always best to serve it immediately with your favorite desserts, fruits, or beverages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.